Hello, I'm Jackie with Starlux Local TV, and I'll be your host today. And I'd like to welcome Dr. Mattila from Farmington Chiropractic as our guest. Dr. Mattila, are you there, sir?
Yes, Jackie.
Well, listen, Dr. Mattila is going to give us some great advice on how to find and what to look for in a great chiropractor. So, Dr. Mattila, I just want to start out by thanking you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to join us on this interview today.
Well, thanks for having me, Jackie.
Now, tell us, there's thousands of people that search online for chiropractors every single month, and maybe they're new to the area, or perhaps they're just seeking out chiropractic services for the first time. Tell us, what advice would you give for someone looking for a new chiropractor?
Yeah, good place to go ask somebody for a good chiropractor is actually a family member or friend that's already going to somebody that they're very happy with. Most of our patients happen to come to us because they were referred by another one of our patients. So that seems to be a very good way of finding a good chiropractor. Secondly, I recommend that patients go online and look at some of the local websites and actually reading the reviews to decide if some of the material on the websites and the review content is according to their standards and what they're looking for in a chiropractic clinic. And the last thing that I recommend is the chiropractor offering a consultation, hopefully at no charge, so that the patient has an opportunity to sit down or talk to the chiropractor regarding their condition and what's going on with the patient at the time. And it allows the patient some time to get to know the chiropractor and their techniques and to determine if it would be a good fit for them.
Yeah, those are really good tips. Thank you for sharing. So now, if someone were to actually pick up the phone and visit your chiropractic clinic, what type of an experience, might they have?
Well, you can expect to come into a friendly, professional environment. The office runs on time, so the patients can expect to be seen at their scheduled appointment times. And patients that come to us always have the same 4 questions. And those questions are, what's wrong with me? Can you help me? How much will it cost? And how long will it take? And so I spend enough time with the patients covering the answers to those questions. And how we do that is by having a thorough history and an examination. And then we follow that up with any necessary imaging. So we do perform x-rays if they're necessary. And then lastly, we develop a treatment plan for the patient. So we'll discuss the treatment options, what we're going to do to help the patient, and other questions such as recovery time and expectations and things like that. And most patients can expect to be treated on the same day that they come in as well.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. So what makes Farmington Chiropractic unique or different from other chiropractors in the local community?
One of the things that separates us from other chiropractors in the area is our work that we perform on soft tissues, meaning the muscles and tendons and ligaments. I use a variety of techniques, including Graston technique, active release technique, post-isometric relaxation stretching, and myofascial release to work on specific muscle injuries, including trigger points, scar tissue, adhesions, and fibrosis, so that the patient could accelerate their healing time faster and have a better outcome. I find that when I combine these treatments with the chiropractic adjustments, the patients are much more satisfied and we see much quicker results. You're seeing nowadays in the Olympics and professional sports arena that these muscle techniques are being used because athletes need to perform at their best, and they're finding that they do in fact heal a lot faster with these techniques.
That's great. Now, what other ways do you promote your services and just get the word out to the local community about what you do?
Well, one of the things that we've been doing for some time now is we work with local medical doctors in the area and massage therapists to help coordinate patient care. So if a patient needs a necessary referral to a provider, such as a medical doctor or massage therapist, that we do have those contacts to make, and we can get them a timely referral so that they can get treated appropriately if their condition warrants treatment other than what I'm able to provide. and vice versa. Medical doctors can refer patients to me for situations in which they can be better treated through chiropractic adjustments, soft tissue work, and techniques of that nature. So patients are finding that they really like that because they're able to have a more continuous flow in their treatment plans and less interruption in care.
I see, I see. So tell us, how might our viewers get a hold of you so that they can take advantage of, the great services that you provide?
Really to get a hold of us is to call our clinic number, and that is 248-615-1381. And you can talk to our office staff to schedule your appointment. And most of the time that we do have same-day appointments available. You can also visit our website at www.chirofarmington.com, and you can request an appointment time on our website as well. So those are a couple methods that they can get a hold of us and set an appointment.
Great, great. And I just want to invite our viewers who are watching, if you're from the Farmington area or the surrounding community, give Dr. Mattila a call and, get your spine adjusted. And Dr. Mattila, just thank you so much again for giving us this opportunity to interview you, and just for being that leader in your local community, especially as a chiropractor in Farmington.
Thanks for having me today.
And I want to thank our viewers for watching. Join us again when we put the spotlight on another local expert right here on Starlux Local TV.